Welcome to Toolhive. In this video, we will see how to create a tool assembly and explore the Toolhive-Cimatron plugin. When you log into the Toolhive application, you will see the My Items tab opened by default, where you can see all your tool item-related data. Now to create a tool assembly, select any tool item and make sure it has a 2D and 3D model along with all the parameters. Now click on the Add Assembly icon to build the new tool assembly from scratch. Here you can see the 3D assembly view on the top and 2D assembly view at the bottom. When you click on Add Tool Item, you can get a list of all the items which match exactly with the item you selected earlier. You can choose any tool from the list you want to add and click on Save. These changes are updating both the 3D assembly view as well as the 2D assembly view. Once the collet is added, you can proceed further to add the tool holder next. Again, click on Add Tool Item to choose the matching tool holder. Once you choose the holder from the list, click on the Save button. This will take a couple of seconds to add the holder to the tool assembly. Now, after the holder has been added to an assembly, the final step is to add the adapter to the assembly. You can click again on Add Tool Item, and then you can select any adapter from the list that matches the selected holder. Once you choose the adapter and then click on Save, within a few seconds, the entire assembly will be built successfully. Now, to save this tool assembly, you need to enter assembly name and description in the tool assembly information section. Make sure to enter assembly name in uppercase only. After that, click on the Save button to save the tool assembly. Within a few seconds, the tool assembly will be generated successfully. Behind the scenes, Toolhive is also synchronizing the assembly data with Cimatron so that you can import the same tool assembly into Cimatron right away. Now, to check this assembly in Cimatron, you need to open the Cimatron application. When you install Cimatron Plugin from Toolhive, you will see the new option inside Tools showing Import Tools from Toolhive. Once you click on it, Cimatron will use your Toolhive credentials to fetch your data. Then you need to choose the tool type and then select the exact tool class from the list. There is also an option to search the assembly by typing its name. Also, you can input the desired parameter range to search for the exact tool assembly. In this scenario, I am putting a diameter range from 8 mm to 9 mm. Because of Instant KM plugin, Toolhive assembly library will automatically be synced here, and you will see the recently created tool assembly. Here, Toolhive transfers all the technical data along with the 3D model. You can click on Import Tool to import this library into your Cimatron tool library. This is how you can see the exact tool assembly you created earlier in Toolhive, now transferred successfully into Cimatron. Thank you for watching.